class. Today we start the next topic from our chapter, which is the excretory system. Now, what is excretory system? Excretory system is basically the removal of waste product from our body, and why it is necessary because the excretory system just removes the waste product like the nitrogen, which is very poisonous for our body, like the carbon dioxide, which is very poisonous for our body and not fitted in the further our body function. So that is why excretory system is very important. It is also known as urinary system. Now there are three type of organisms which perform different type of excretion, like ammonotalism, ureotalism, and uricotalism. The process of excretion of ammonia is known as ammonotalism. It means the waste product in their bodies will be ammonia. The examples will be aquatic invertebrates, bony fishes, aquatic amphibians, tadpoles, and aquatic insects. Okay, uricotalism means the excretion product is urea. Okay, that is ureotalism. Okay, and the liver, it is converted into the less toxic urea called a urethane cycle. Okay, urethane cycle. Now the examples of this type of excretory system is amphibians, frogs, toads, etc., and cartilaginous fishes, aqua, semi-aquatic reptiles. Okay, uricotalism, the excretory product will be the uric acid, that is the uricotalism. It is insoluble in water, so water is not required for the excretion. Example will be the birds, terrestrial reptiles, insects, land scales, and some land crustaceans. Okay, okay, now we will move back to the Okay, now it is the diagram which is showing how the kidney look like. The kidneys are reddish brown, bean-shaped structures situated between the levels of a thoracic and the third liver vertebrae. Each kidney is about 10 to 12 centimeter in length and 5 to 7 centimeter in width and 2 to 3 centimeter in thickness. Mainly in adults, the average weight of kidney is 150 grams, and in adult female it is about 135 grams. Okay, now the each kidney is enclosed in a tough three fibrous capsule. You can see that. Now it is a capsule which is here drawn. It is a 5 capsule, and on the concave side of there is an opening called the hyalus or the hilus. Okay, so this is about this. Now the medulla, the kidney is divided into the outer core cortex and inner core medulla, and the medulla is divided into a number of conical projections called the renal pyramids, and the mesocaves open the funnel shaped structures here. Okay, so this is about our kidneys. Okay, now it is calyx and medulla. There's a different portions of this. Now we will just move through the nephrons. And where is nephron? Nephron is here. Now you can see that nephrons are the structure and the functional unit of the kidneys, and each kidney contains about 1 million of nephrons. Okay, and in nephrons are two parts: malpighian corpuscles and renal tubules. Okay, now what is malpighian corpuscles? It comprises glomerulus in the Bowman's capsule. Okay, now this is the Bowman's capsule. You can see the very elaborate structure of the Bowman's capsule, section to the Bowman's capsule, and here is the structure which clearly defines the nephron. Nephrons, how the nephrons are emitted inside the cortex regions and the medulla regions, and what is the functions of these. Okay, now the detailed structure of these are these have Bowman's capsule, they have renal tubule, and renal tubule which further consisting of the proximal convoluted tubules, Henle's tube, distal convoluted tubule, and collecting duct. Okay, now how this function actually goes on. So basically what happened when there is a now you got just understand this function, you have to know one thing, that what is the main function of the kidney is the purification of blood. Okay, so here you can see are different types of veins and the arteries. When there is the movement of the blood, and the blood which is impure goes to the kidneys, to the cortex and the medulla, it reaches the nephron portion, and in the nephron portion it first goes to the glomerulus. And here the glomerulus, it what happened, glomerulus is mainly responsible for what, for the filtration. Now filtration occurs in glomerulus, and the filtrated blood goes further, filtrated blood goes further on the next portion, and that to the glomerulus, then Bowman's capsule, then PCT and DCT, then finally the unfiltrated blood, or we can see that the urine is collected in the collecting duct and to the urinary bladder it goes to the ureter, and then pass out via the bladder to the outside of the body, and this goes, and this is how the excretions occur in the human beings. Now, what is the other systems which are confined for the excretions? And these may be the lungs, because lungs in the removal of the waste material like the carbon dioxide, and you know that it just excrete 18 liters of carbon dioxide per day. Now, next is the liver, and liver, it helps in the excretion of cholesterol, steroid hormone, vitamin, drugs, and other waste products. Okay, now the skin has many glands, and you know that, which help in excreting waste products, and has two types of glands, sweat and the sebaceous gland. Now sweat glands are highly vascular and tubular glands that separate the waste product from the blood. Okay, so this is about this. Then now the roles of the lungs, liver, and the skin in the excretion method. So this is about the excretion, and I hope you got understand this. So just revise it yourself and read out by the book also. Now I will provide the worksheet by tomorrow, and please do that and report to me what you have done. Thank you.